everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right here, you're looking at a 12-inch semi-automatic meat slicer. Okay, so this is going to be a 12-inch. It is going to be certified by the health department. So if you go over here to the back, we'll go ahead and show you that certification on this sticker that's located on the meat slicer. Okay, so you also will be able to see your model for this unit, volts, power, and hertz. Also your phase right there. Okay, so this unit's going to run on 110 volt, which is going to be a US standard plug located on the side of the meat slicer. Now on the other side, you can locate a thickness adjuster. Okay, so depending on how thick you want those slices, you can adjust that on the side. You also have a blade sharpener over here on the top, right next to the blade. Okay, obviously you got your handle right here. Okay, and a cover as well that will go on top of the meat slicer over here. Okay, you also will be provided with a manual. So if you have any questions or having trouble using it, don't know how to use it, all the information is going to be on this manual. Okay, all the information regarding this meat slicer is going to be on there. Okay, as I mentioned, this is a 12-inch meat slicer, semi-automatic. If you're interested in one of these units, feel free to go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update all the information regarding the unit, including the price. Now we will have other sizes available, so feel free to go on the website, check them out. Okay, we'll have all the details on the website. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.